Here's the latest in health news. The bird flu outbreak is spreading across the United States, with California seeing major impacts on dairy farms, even calling it COVID for cows. Meanwhile, a groundbreaking study shows that vagus nerve stimulation could offer new hope for those with treatment-resistant depression. Plus, new research is suggesting that the herpes virus might be linked to Alzheimer's disease. And did you know? Microplastics in the air may be contributing to lung and colon cancers. Subscribe!